This is the Beauty BU1600 WL liquid laminator. Over here we've got the control panel. You have got your pump, fan, dryer, motor, on, off switch and speed, and that is your temperature controller. We'll get to that now. This is where you will be feeding through your prints. Your roll of prints at the bottom is going to go through all the way and onto the take up at the back. This side, that is where you pour your liquid in. If you open this side, press it in, open it up, there you've got your canister where your liquid will run down into, and right down into that pump. The pump will push the liquid up into your print to the top and onto your print. On the back of the machine we've got a take up where your print will come through. The print will be coming through here. Over these two bars you got the black bar, silver bar, goes down onto your take up and it will run through that way. So let's start switching on the machine. As you can see, currently the machine's off, it's ice cold. We'll switch it on now. First, make sure it's on. There we go. And then we go to dryer, switch that on. This is your temperature controller. It's already been set to 130, but if you want to adjust that, you just go to the up and down arrow. So we can run it at anywhere between 120 and 130, depending on the liquid and the product that you're using. So for this demo, we're just going to be running at 130. And to kind of confirm that, you just press that swirly button there, enter. There we go. Okay, so what we're doing next is, you're going to have to, on your right hand side and left hand side, you've got a bolt like that. So make sure it's loose out of the machine, because that just secures this in place. So you grab the chrome bar, pull this over, just like that. And I'm going to take my print, pull it through, make sure your roll is centered. So this is just going to go over this silver galvanized bar over there. Going to pull my print through. Got a small piece of sticky tape on here, pushing it through. As you can see, there's a black bar. It's just going over that bar. With my piece of sticky tape, I just stick it down there. Then I'll go to the back of the machine. There we go. Grabbing that, pulling it over that Teflon coated bar, over the silicone of the galvanized bar, onto the take up. Also centered, make sure you've got your core on there, and I just stick it down. There we go, perfect. I can already feel the machine is heating up after switching on the heater, the dryer. To the front of the machine again, you will notice, look how quick the speed is picking up. We're almost done 130 and that's not even 5 minutes. Okay, so my print is through. All I want to do is take this, drop it down. There we go. And by securing it, I tighten that bolt on the right hand side, and there's another one on the left. Look over here. Just over there. Okay, perfect. Okay, the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to set up the media for liquid coating. So you'll see on the right hand and on the left hand side, we have got these stoppers. So what you would do, they're loose, they fit in between these two bars over there. So you'll just move it about 5 mils over the edge of your print, finger tight it there, there we go, give it a bit of tension, so it can't go anywhere, and the same on the left hand side. There's the edge of my media, moving it over slightly, just like that. This will prevent the liquid from running all the way down onto the drip pan at the bottom. So in essence, you will not be wasting, you will be building up a small dam of liquid there. Thus, you can fill up that dam with your tap over here. So all you can do is just open the tap, and let's just switch on the pump first. There we go, and there you go. The liquid is coming through. On that side, that's enough there. And interesting enough, you'll see the red lights beeping. that means that our canister is almost empty. Okay, after refilling the canister, you will notice that the alarm has stopped. Okay, we're ready to laminate now. So we've got our pump going. Pump is on, dryer is on, dryer is up to temperature, and you'll notice over here that the liquid is pouring by just opening this tap. So let's just close it a bit. So we're building up a dam over here. So next step would be to close the dryer. There we go. And then we turn on the motor, forward button, switch it on, and turn up the speed. We normally recommend to run between 10 and 20, depending on the product that you're running on, because wallpaper, PVC, vinyl, all types of products, you would need different type of temperatures. Okay, so the machine is running. Then lastly, at the back of the machine, we'll switch this on now. There's a fan at the back of the machine that just cools your print down. So if you look at it over here, there we've got 4 fans, they're blowing. So as your print comes out, it's a bit hot here because it's coming from the dryer off the dryer by 110 degrees, and this will cool it down. So you will see, we've got a nice dam building up here. Our media is running through at a slow pace because this needs to go fairly slow. You can't rush it because the liquid needs time to dwell underneath the heaters. Because your liquid laminate is a resin and a water, the water needs to evaporate. So you don't want to rush it, otherwise your prints will not dry in time. And as you can see, there's our prints coming through. Okay, the machine has been running for a couple of meters. If you look at it over here, we've got our prints feeding into the machine at a steady pace, like I said, between 10 and 20. And then we've got our dryer sitting at 130. So on this side it will be wet, and on the other side it will come out completely dry. Completely dry. It'll be a bit hot coming out of the dryer. There we go. For this purpose, we've only ran water through the machine, so where the machine is clean and fully operational. Thank you.